Good morning, my name's Dr. Jeremy McAnulty from New South Wales Health, and I'm here with a COVID update for Thursday the 16th of December 2021. There were 1,742 cases of COVID reported in New South Wales in the 24 hours to 8 o'clock last night. In the same time, there were almost 144,000 COVID tests reported. In terms of Omicron cases, a total of 122 cases of COVID-19 with the Omicron variant of concern have been confirmed in New South Wales. There are currently 192 people with COVID admitted to hospital in New South Wales, including 26 people in intensive care, 8 of whom require ventilation. Across New South Wales, 94.8% of people aged 16 years and over have received one dose of COVID vaccine, and 93.3% have received 2 doses. For children 12 to 15 years of age, 81.4% have received a first dose and 77.8% have received 2 doses. The emergence of the Omicron variant of concern clearly shows the importance of booster shots in maintaining high levels of protection against COVID-19 virus. We are urging people to get a booster shot as soon as they are eligible to best protect yourself, your loved one and the communities from the ongoing transmission risk from COVID. People aged 18 years and older may receive a booster dose 5 months after receiving their second dose of COVID vaccine. We're continuing to see a rapid surge in numbers of cases in New South Wales, with transmission occurring as a result of high numbers of people gathering for social functions in venues such as pubs and clubs. Some of these gatherings have led to super spreading events. New South Wales Health continues to remind everyone across the community to continue to practice COVID-safe behaviours, including wearing masks in settings where you can't physically distance. Get tested and stay at home if you have even the mildest of symptoms. Don't go out and visit family, friends, or go to social gatherings if you're unwell. Practice good hand hygiene, sanitise your hands, or wash them under running water with soap for 20 seconds on a regular basis. And please consider using rapid antigen testing before you go out. If you don't have symptoms. If you have symptoms, you need to get a PCR test at one of our testing clinics. But rapid antigen tests, if you're well, before you go to a venue or a gathering, particularly if there are vulnerable people there, are a good way of checking that you are unlikely to be infected. New South Wales Health continues to be concerned about transmission in the Newcastle area, where the majority of the Omicron variants of concern have been identified. Several venues and events have now seen transmission of COVID-19, and New South Wales Health again asks everyone across the community to continue to practice COVID-safe behaviours. We're particularly urging people in the local Newcastle community to seriously consider deferring any social events in Newcastle until after Christmas in order to keep family Christmas gatherings safe and to protect their loved ones, the vulnerable and essential workers. New South Wales Health last night issued a public health alert for the Cambridge Hotel, 789 Hunter Street, Newcastle. Anyone who attended the Cambridge Hotel from 6:30 p.m. Friday, the 10th of December, to 2:30 a.m. Saturday, the 11th of December, is a close contact and must immediately get tested and isolate for 7 days. Anyone who attended Finnegan's Hotel from 6:30 p.m. Friday to the 10th of December to 2:30 a.m. Saturday, the 11th of December, is also a close contact and must immediately get tested and isolate for 7 days. And anyone who attended the Argyle House nightclub from 9 p.m. on Wednesday, the 8th of December to 3 a.m. on Thursday, the 9th of December, has been assessed as close contact and must immediately get tested and isolate for 7 days. Given the high transmission at these venues, we're asking household contacts of anyone who attended to also immediately get tested and isolate until the close contacts and they get a negative test. Again, thanks for continuing to keep us all safe by coming forward for testing and importantly getting your vaccine, particularly the booster shot if you're eligible. Thanks very much.